Are you looking for a way to transform your home with beautiful and durable hardwood flooring? Do you want to work with a professional and reliable company that can handle any project, big or small? If so, you need to check out Littleton Colorado Hardwood Flooring, the best choice for traditional or exotic hardwood, laminate flooring, or luxury vinyl plank. Littleton Colorado Hardwood Flooring offers a wide range of hardwood flooring options, from classic to modern, to suit your style and budget. Whether you need installation, refinishing, repair, or maintenance, we have the expertise and experience to get the job done right. We use only high-quality materials and equipment, and we guarantee our workmanship for years to come. No matter if you've got scratches, dents, or damage from water, Littleton Colorado Hardwood Flooring will examine the issue and offer solutions that will restore your floors back to their original splendor. So what are you waiting for? If you want to upgrade your home with beautiful and long-lasting wood floors, contact Littleton Colorado Hardwood Flooring today. Visit our website to learn more about our services, browse our gallery of previous projects, and request a free estimate. Or call us to speak with one of our friendly and knowledgeable staff members. Don't miss this opportunity to make your home shine with Littleton Colorado Hardwood Flooring.